everyone! Welcome to Moral Vibe. Let's learn and grow together.
Princess Sultana was the only and very spoiled daughter of the king and queen, and her birth was celebrated throughout the country. Due to excessive pampering, she became stubborn and rude from a young age and refused to listen to anyone. At her 16th birthday party, she angrily threw the cake to the ground.
The king and queen realized that their wrong upbringing had spoiled the princess's temperament. On the advice of the minister, the king decided to be strict and chose to arrange the princess's marriage. Princess Sultana was married to a woodcutter who was actually Prince Babar in disguise.
The simple life and the woodcutter's harsh but truthful words made Princess Sultana realize her mistakes. She felt regretful for her bad behavior and tried to change herself.
She returned to the palace, apologized to the king and queen, and they all forgave her happily. The result is that excessive pampering spoils children, but proper guidance and a sense of responsibility can change a person.